Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. So I have two steps. The first step is go to your search bar and search here for network and click on here view network connection. Then select your Wi-Fi or internet, right click on it and then go to properties. And here go to IPv4, right click on it, click on it and then click on properties. Make sure that this obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically is selected. If not, select these two. Then hit on OK, then X this, then X this. Now search for CMD and open it as administrator or run it as administrator. Click on yes. Now here type in what I'm about to type. IP config space slash flash DNS and hit on enter. Now second one is net winsock reset. Hit on enter. Then after that, simply restart your PC. Then open the Genshin and that's basically it.